Hello everyone, this is Sharif Abu Zaid again with a new quick video. And in today's video, I want to show you a trick that will help you increase the number of your newsletter subscribers or your email list subscribers or the leads generated from your website, whether you are selling some sort of any type of digital products or services. So let's say that you have a blog section inside your website and you want to ask people to sign up for a newsletter in exchange for something for free. So the best way to do this is to ask them to sign up here to add a subscription box at the sidebar of your website, although there is a low conversion rate using the sidebar. But what happens if people just scroll down here and they forget about your newsletter subscription box and they just click X and they just leave your website? You still have a chance to ask them to sign up for your newsletter or your free thing by adding a subscription box at the bottom of every blog post inside your blog section or inside the blog section of your website. All of this, adding these types of boxes or lead generation boxes can be done using one trick only if you are using a very professional theme. And professional theme here, if you are using something like Kadence theme, Astra theme, and maybe Bloxy theme, Ocean WB, and any type of these or any sort of these professional themes. In this video, I will be using the Kadence theme as an example. Now, inside each of the themes, you will find a feature, sometimes they call it like elements or hooks, that can be used. Inside the Kadence theme, I'm using the what they call the hook, the elements feature, and this is a pro add-on. So you need to have, like I mentioned, the pro or the premium version of Kadence to be able to use this. All you need to do is to, make this like active here, and then you need to go to the elements part. And let me just switch these off. These are the ones that we have been seeing. And then you need to click add to add a new element. Remember that we need to add this at the sidebar of our blog posts and then into the footer of every blog post. So here in the element setup, you need to choose an element type, use the content section, and let's say new footer opt-in, okay? Opt-in section. So this is the section that we need to add, and then we need to click, not the design library, but we need to add a row. So here we need to add our opt-in section. I'll just use add a row layout. I'm using Kadence Kadence Box plugin here, but you can use something like Elementor or Spectra. And I will add my, I will just add a text, and I would say sign up now and get 100% free advice into your inbox. Okay. And I will centerline this, and maybe I will just duplicate this. And I will say you will get all the info for free, and I will make sure that is like a paragraph. And then we need to add our, opt-in section. So I click add after, and then because I'm using Kadence, I will just search for advanced form. I will create a new form, and I will just use the, subscribe. Let's add like just the email address, okay? I will say subscribe form with email only. I just give this a name, and then I click create. Now we have this. If you want to, make this at the bottom, if you want to have this at the bottom of the email list, let's go here. So this is our, form. Let's drag this and add it here. And for the row layout, let's make this like one column. So now this looks fine. If we want to change this, let's say sign up now. Sign up now, sign up now. And the colors are coming from our theme colors. If you want to change this, just go to the style, background color. Let's make this black, and also for the hover, let's make this black as well. And now we have our opt-in form here. I think we need to increase the spacing between the button and also the form here. Let's me see how I can do this. Let's go to advanced. No, you know what? Let's go to the section. And let's make it something like this. And also for the button, let's make this auto. And let's make this center aligned. This looks nice. Now we need to add a background for this. So let's go here. Let's go to a style. And let's add a background color of this. And this looks neat right now. Let's increase the padding. And you know what? Let's make this large. Let's make this X large. So now this looks fine. Now we need to add this at the bottom of every blog post. And to do this, we need to go to the cadence or the element settings. And in the placement, we need to do three things here actually. We need to choose the placement, and also we need to choose the display settings and the user settings. The user settings is very basic. You just need to choose all users. But if you want this to be shown only to the logged in users, you can do this using the logged in users role here. I'll just choose all users. For the placement, here you can choose where exactly you want to display this this opt-in form. I like to add it after what's called entry level. I'll add it after inner content. I mean, you can you can try with every option here or placement here. I'll just use after inner content. And for display settings, I need to display these just below every single post I have. I will choose all of them, and then I will choose to save. And now let's go to our website and let's open any of these blog posts here. Now if we go to the bottom, let's just go up, you'll find this is our nice looking opt-in section. Maybe we need to add some sort of a margin at the top of the section just to have it just to add some space. So let's go back here and let's click here. Let's add a margin. Let's go to the advanced section and let's add some top margin here. Let's click save and let's let me just refresh. And here we have some spacing at the top of this section. Now we have, if we open any other blog posts here, if we just open any other post, let's open this one and let's open this one. And we go down at the bottom, you'll find we have all of this at the bottom of the page. So now we need to add it also to the sidebar. And to do this, we need actually to duplicate the element that we have just created. So let's click save and let's go back here and let's just duplicate this one, and we need to change the placement. So let's click duplicate, and of course I will need to to change the name of the element so I can know each one which one that I need to use. So I will say new sidebar opt-in. Okay. And here the first thing that we need to do is to click here, and instead of the placement inside the inner content, I will choose replace sidebar. And maybe we need to make this smaller because this is now inside the sidebar. So instead of having X large, let's choose large. Let's click publish. And here, let me just close this. This is an old one. Let's click refresh. And here we have our nice looking opt-in form here at the sidebar of each blog post. So now let's go to the blog. Let's open any other post here, and you find the same opt-in form at the top inside the sidebar, and also add the button. Maybe you're asking yourself, but now how you can connect this into your email marketing platform? And this can be done very easily inside the form settings. So make sure that you are here in the document overview. Make sure that you are choosing the form itself, and inside the form for the submit actions, you need to choose your, let's say you need to choose an autoresponder. Here you can connect it with something like Brevo or ConvertKit or Kit now, or Fluent CRM, GetResponse, MailChimp, MailerLite or GetResponse. Now, if you don't find your email marketing platform listed here, you can just use the webhook, and this is a way to connect all of these, all of the unlisted email marketing platform. But now if you are using something, let's say MailChimp, you'll find here all this MailChimp settings here. You need to add your API key, and then you need to connect your email list and also or add your tags. So that's it. This is how you can add this nice looking opt-in form at the top and also at the bottom of your blog posts to increase the number of your email list subscribers. So hopefully you find this video helpful. If you like it, please give me a thumbs up, and also please consider to subscribe to my YouTube channel because I create similar videos every single week. Now, thank you so much and see you in the next one.